Hi, this is the Animalist. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you. Insects and rodents are common inhabitants of deserts, and they play important roles in the ecosystem. Despite the harsh conditions of the desert environment, these animals have adapted to survive and thrive in the arid landscape. Insects in the desert come in all shapes and sizes, ranging from beetles and ants to grasshoppers and moths. Some insects have evolved to become masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings to avoid predators. Others have developed unique features that help them survive in the harsh desert environment, such as the ability to store water in their bodies or dig tunnels in the sand. Insects. There are many different species of insects that live in desert regions, each of which has adapted to survive in the harsh conditions of these hot and arid environments. Antlions. These insects are known for their distinctive cone-shaped pits in the sand, which they use to trap prey. Desert locusts. These insects are known for their ability to swarm in large numbers and cause significant damage to crops and vegetation. Dung beetles. These insects play an important role in the ecosystem by feeding on and breaking down animal waste. Camel spiders. These arachnids are not true spiders, but are often referred to as such due to their appearance. They are known for their large size and speed. Desert beetles. These insects have specialized adaptations that allow them to collect water from the air or from dew on plants in order to survive in the desert. Desert cicadas. These insects are known for their loud, distinctive calls that are a common sound in many desert regions. Desert scorpions. These arachnids are well adapted to life in the desert, with a hard exoskeleton to protect them from the hot and dry conditions. Solifuges. These arachnids, also known as sun spiders or wind scorpions, are known for their ability to run quickly across the desert sand. These are just a few examples of the many different species of insects that live in the desert. Each of these insects has unique adaptations that allow it to survive in this challenging environment. Rodents. There are many different types of rodents that live in desert around the world. Kangaroo rat. Kangaroo rats are found in the deserts of North America. They have long hind legs, which they use to jump and hop around their desert homes. They are adapted to survive in extremely arid environments and can go their entire lives without drinking water. Desert pocket mouse. Desert pocket mice are also found in North American deserts. They have large cheek pouches, which they use to store seeds and other food for later. They are nocturnal and have large eyes to help them see in the dark. Jerboa. Jerboas are small, jumping rodents that are found in the deserts of Asia and North Africa. They have long hind legs, like kangaroo rats, which they use to hop around the desert. They are adapted to living in areas with very little water. Fat-tailed gerbil. Fat-tailed gerbils are found in the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East. They have large, plump tails which they use to store fat for times when food is scarce. They are adapted to living in very hot, arid environments. Desert woodrat. Desert woodrats are found in the deserts of North America. They are known for building large nests out of sticks, cactus spines, and other materials. They are herbivores and eat a variety of desert plants. Reptiles are a diverse group of cold-blooded animals that are well adapted to living in harsh environments such as deserts. There are many species of reptiles that inhabit the desert, including lizards, snakes, tortoises, and more. We will discuss about some of the adaptations that reptiles have developed to survive in the desert, as well as some of the most common species of desert-dwelling reptiles. There are many species of reptiles that live in the desert. Desert tortoise, found in the Mojave and Sonoran deserts in North America. The desert tortoise, Gopherus agassizii, is a species of tortoise that is found in the deserts of the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. They are a long-lived reptile, with an average lifespan of 50 to 80 years in the wild, and can weigh up to 15 pounds. Desert tortoises are herbivorous and primarily eat a variety of grasses, wildflowers, and cacti. They are adapted to their desert environment and are able to survive in extreme temperatures and dry conditions by burrowing underground to avoid the heat and conserving water. Desert tortoises have a unique and important role in their ecosystem, as they are considered a keystone species. They create burrows that are used by other desert animals for shelter, and their feces provide nutrients to the soil and plants in the desert. Gila monster, found in the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. Horned lizard, found in the deserts of North and Central America. Sidewinder rattlesnake, found in the deserts of North America. Fringed-toed lizard, found in the Sahara and other desert regions. Bearded dragon, found in the deserts of Australia. Dromedary camel, found in the deserts of Africa and the Middle East. Spiny-tailed iguana, found in the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East. Desert iguana, found in the deserts of North and Central America. Sand boa, found in the deserts of Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. These reptiles have adapted to the harsh desert environment by developing specialized physical and behavioral characteristics such as the ability to conserve water, burrowing underground to escape the heat, and being active during the cooler parts of the day. Taking care of animals in the desert can be challenging, as the harsh and unforgiving environment can be difficult for them to survive in. Here are some tips on how to take care of animals in the desert. Provide water. Water is essential for all living creatures, especially in the desert where it can be scarce. You can set up water stations or ponds for the animals, or leave out water containers or troughs. Provide food. Many animals in the desert rely on plants for food. You can plant native vegetation or provide food such as fruits, nuts, and seeds. Provide shelter. Animals in the desert need shelter from the heat and sun, as well as protection from predators. You can build structures such as shelters or burrows, or provide natural shelter such as rocks, caves, or trees. Reduce human impact. Human activity can have a significant impact on desert animals, so it's essential to minimize human impact as much as possible. Avoid littering, don't disturb the natural habitat, and avoid driving off-road. Educate others. Educate others about the importance of taking care of desert animals and the impact of human activities on their survival. Encourage responsible behavior, and advocate for the protection of desert wildlife. Remember, taking care of animals in the desert is essential for their survival and the health of the ecosystem.